the crypto nest. Alright, so for MicroStrategy, if I zoom out a little bit, yeah, so this is the bottom of the fourth wave. Little bit sketchy discount, not my favorite, because this wave 2, okay, let's go. Wave A, B, and for the C we have 5 waves up. So I'll complete this wave 1 in white, circle white. Now we had an A, a B, and a C. Don't like this wave 2 because it's way too deep. As you can see, almost came back from the origin of the beginning of this wave 1. So very, don't want to say shaky, but out of, I don't know, we need to be very careful. This could backfire maybe. Okay, so now I have a wave 1 and 2 here, and within this third wave, I mean, you can manage to make it work and even count like, I know, as you can see, I didn't do it, but I guess you could say maybe this was a 1, 2, and I don't know, perhaps this is a 3, and then a 4, and a 5. But at the end of the day, what's interesting or important is to say, okay, fine, this can really be a third wave. It did reach the 1.618 fib extension, and now this fourth wave was very shallow. Now, yeah, honestly, I'm debating. Well, first of all, for a moment, 3, 4, and 5, is this the fifth wave? Or maybe this is still the fourth, right? And then we did the A, overshooting wave B, and now we're going into the C. Very possible. Or, yeah, this is the top of the fifth wave, and we did an A, B, C for the wave A. And we kind of made an A, B, C for the wave B. And now we're going lower. Is there another way of reading it? Try to check. The other way to read it could be that this is just an A, a B, and a C for a wave 1, and now we're going lower, and possibly this is diagonal A, B, C for the wave 1. This was the wave 2. I know I need to improve my my writing on a mouse, and this is a sharp movement down, possibly not even finished, and this could be the third wave, and after that we're going to have a fourth and a fifth, and possibly can make his whole correction, but then it's going to be a little bit problematic because 5 wave down, it's indicating the trend. So is that going to be a shift? And this was indeed the top of the market. Well, honestly, it wouldn't make, it's not aligning with Bitcoin anyway, but we need to prepare for a scenario like that. Now we need to start to put in our mind that possibly the top market has already reached, or it already happened. I'm not saying it's already happened, but we need to start to think about reaching, you know, those high levels price eventually, and make a plan. Actually, we should already have a plan, but we need to mind ourselves when we're going to start to take profits, and that's the thing. Am I calling the top for MicroStrategy? Not at all. I'm just saying, yeah, perhaps this is a 1, 2, 3. Now we're working on a fourth. Only one wave up to go, and my targets starts around $600, $615. We had a peak here, it was 500 something, and actually, if I move around, I'm going to see it. So we had 548.20. So 615, 620. I'm saying that because the fib extension, wave 1 plus wave 3, it's reaching $652 for the 0.618 fib extension. Can it go higher? Yes. If it go higher, I will start to keep and take it. So let me put a line here maybe so it makes more sense. I think I'm going to start to take some profits about 620. All right, and after that, if it goes higher, then yeah, I'm going to continue to take other profits. And yeah, because this cycle, you know, it wouldn't make sense to wait and not taking profits before. Maybe it's never going to reach 625, or maybe it's going to go even higher. But the important is maybe I'm going to take another partial profit at yeah, 750, and a little bit maybe before this 864. So perhaps yes, around this area here, 620 maybe. To me, I learned to not be greedy. Now I'm putting levels here like that, but we need to understand that when we're going to, if we really eventually rebound here, find support into this allegedly fourth wave and go higher, then we're going to start to analyze this fifth wave, god damn it, even in 15 minutes, and to really see what's the structure and where it can go, and then we can try to maximize our exit point. All right, but for the moment everything is well. I did well, I mean, if you are part of the Discord channel, I do share my trades. I did share when I was taking profits on MicroStrategy. I was very happy. I'm still very happy. And now I would say 342, I'm going to yeah, jump back in a little bit. Depending on the structure of this pullback as well. Just want to check here. Yeah, it makes sense, right? If this is the fifth wave, the length not there yet, and this correction is not finished, but let me see here. I can call this an A, B, C for the wave A, and this also is A, B, C for the wave B, and now we're going lower. It actually make, with the strong impulsive movement we have at the for the downside, I would almost say that this is an ABC for the wave 1, this is wave 2, and now I have a very rapid decline, and this would be technically a third wave and would really work well. Actually, let me go and try it out from the beginning to the end of wave 1 to the end of wave 2. Now we cannot see much. Let me move that around. Can I remove that one? I think so. There you go. So almost reached the 1.618. That's quite nice, I must say. Okay, I'm going to put that in yellow. And I want to do the counts here, A. Actually, no, I said that I would like to have... Yeah, actually, no, I'm going to keep this A, B, and C. And let's see if it does work out. Because if this is the 3, then 4 and 5 is going to be annoying. Because we're going to have 5 way up and 5 way down. And then so for the moment I'm going to leave it like this, A, B, C ideally, and now expecting a reaction maybe at the 1.618, maybe at the 2x or 0.382, 342. For me, 342 it would be a nice re-entry level. I took some profit at the top. Actually, I took some profits around here, and I think it was 396 and 400 something. Yeah, I would be inclined to re-enter my my capital at 342. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and notification bell, and have a good day.